Hello students, now the continue chapter number 14, exercise 14.2, question number 3rd. So in these questions we have to given a construct AB of length 7.8 centimeter. From this cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeter measures BC. So first of all we have to draw AB is equal to 7.8 centimeter. AB is equal to 7.8 centimeter. Now, so first of all, we have to draw a one line. Right? Suppose this one is our line and give the name. So this one is L. Okay? Now in this lines we have to take on point A. Clear? Now AB is equal to 7.8 centimeter. Now use the compass. Open your compass for the 7.8 centimeter. First of all, here is 7. This one is 7.5. See, this one is 7.5. Then after 1, 2 and 3 lines more, this means 7.8. Now open your compass for the 7.8. Okay? So this one is my 7.8 centimeter radius. Now A as a center. Draw an arc. Right? A as a center. Here is center. Draw an arc. Give the name. Here is B. It means AB is equal to 7.8 centimeter. AB is equal to 7.8 centimeter. Now cut AC is equal to length 4.7 centimeter. A to C and 4.7 centimeter. So dear students, again we have to take a radius 4.7 centimeter. First of all, this one is 4. Here is 5. This lines is means this one is 4.5 and then after 2 lines more, this means 4.7. Now take a radius for the 4.7. Okay? So this one is my 4.7 radius. Okay. Now we have to draw AC is equal to 4 centimeter. Again A as the center. Draw an arc. Suppose here. Right. Give the name at this point C. So now AC is equal to 4.7 centimeter. A to C is equal to 4.7 meter and A to B is equal to 7.8 centimeter. So now we have to measure BC. We have to measure BC. So see, this one is B and C. Measure it. How many? So 3.1. See, BC is equal to 3.1. We have to measure it. Okay, so write down steps. So our first steps, and first of all हमने क्या किया था? Draw a line L. First of all हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की थी, राइट? उसके बाद mark a point A on it. The next step, हमने इसी लाइन पर एक पॉइंट्स लिया था. मार्क अ पॉइंट A on it. समझ में आ गया? नेक्स्ट स्टेप. Now in next steps, so we have to take radius is equal to 7.8 centimeter. हमने कंपास का यूज करके 7.8 सेंटीमीटर की रेडियस ली थी, राइट? उसके बाद क्या किया था? A एज सेंटर, ड्रॉ एन आर्क. ए को सेंटर लेकर हमने एक आर्क ड्रॉ की थी, तो ए एज सेंटर, ड्रॉ एन आर्क. कट एट बी. जहां पे कट हो रहा था वहां पे हमने क्या नाम दिया? B. तो कट एट B. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट. तो नेक्स्ट में हमने क्या किया था? अगेन टेक radius is equal to 4.7 सेंटीमीटर. 4.7 सेंटीमीटर हमने रेडियस ली थी. सेम A is center, draw an arc. A को सेंटर लेके हमने एक आर्क ड्रॉ की थी. कट एट C, और जहां पे कट हुआ वहां पे हमने क्या नाम दिया? C. तो कट एट C. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. नाउ AC is equal to 4.7 centimeter, AB is equal to 7.8 centimeter, and BC is equal to 3.1 centimeter. हमने मेजरमेंट करने के लिए किया था, तो हमने मेजरमेंट किया, तो BC कितना मिला? 3.1 centimeter. So this one is our question number 3. Understand? Now the next question, the question number 4. गिवन ए बी ऑफ लेंथ 3.9 सेंटीमीटर. यानी कि कोई एक ए बी है, उसकी लेंथ क्या है? 3.9 सेंटीमीटर. गिवन यानी कि ये हमें क्वेश्चंस में दे दिया है. सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ 3.9 सेंटीमीटर, राइट? सो वी हैव टू 3 here, okay? Then after this one is 3.5, and then after 4 lines, this means this one. So this one is our 3.9, and give the name. Here is A and here is B. Okay? Read the question. Construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that AB. हमें एक कंस्ट्रक्शन ड्रॉ करना है लाइन PQ, बट उसकी जो लेंथ है वो ट्वाइस है AB से. यानी कि PQ is equal to 2 multiplied by AB. So AB is equal to 3.9, then 2 multiplied by 3.9. इसी तरह की लेंथ होगी, राइट? चलो, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ वन लाइन. ओके, नाउ ड्रॉ इट. So this one is our line L. Now in this line we have to take a one point, suppose here P. Okay, now open your compass for the radius of AB, यानी कि 3.9. Then place the pointer at A and the second point on B. So this one is our radius and 3.9 centimeter, right? Now as a P, draw an arc. How many times? 2 times. So this one is only for the 1 time. Now the next time, this one is center, draw an arc. One more times, P is a center, draw an arc. Then after this one is center, draw an arc. How many times? 2 times, right? So in second ones we have to write here Q, and here is the intersects, we have to write in X. Okay, so this one is our construct. Then first of all we have to measure. So 3.9 plus 3.9, 2 times, it means 3.9 plus 3.9, 9 and 9, 18, 8 and 1, 3, 6 and 1, it means 7. So this line's measure is equal to 7.8. यानी कि इसका मेजरमेंट करें तो 7.8 सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए. चलो चेक करते हैं. So we have to first of all 0 is set is here and then after here. So see dear student, here is the 7.5 and then after in the third line. So that's why this one is the 7.8 centimeter. Okay, तो ये हो गई 2 times. Understand? Okay. Now we have to write the steps, small steps. So on the first of all, AB is equal to 3.9 centimeter is given. Draw a line L. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने एक लाइन L ड्रॉ की थी. मार्क अ पॉइंट P ऑन इट. मार्क अ पॉइंट P ऑन इट. हमने यहां पे उससे एक पॉइंट लिया था. देन आफ्टर टेक a radius, take a radius ए बी इज इक्वल टू 3.9 सेंटीमीटर। ए बी यहाँ पे अपना अपना कंपास जो था वो अपने ओपन किया था ना, यानी कि वो हमारी क्या हो गई रेडियस कितनी 3.9 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, टेक रेडियस ए बी इज इक्वल टू 3.9 सेंटीमीटर। पी इज सेंटर, ड्रो एन आर्क, P is center, draw an arc, cut at X, जहां पे कट हुआ वहां पे हम क्या नाम देंगे X। ओके, देन आफ्टर सेम रेडियस, सेम रेडियस इसका मतलब क्या होता है 3.9 सेंटीमीटर ही। सेम रेडियस X इज सेंटर, ड्रो एन आर्क, cut at Q, cut at Q, X is the center, draw an arc, cut at Q. Now PQ is equal to 2 multiplied by AB. PQ is equal to 2 multiplied by AB. So this one is our question number 4. Okay.
નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. થેન્ક યુ ફોર જોઈનિંગ અસ.